The curls are popping. Okay, so I just washed my hair and it looks crazy, but you can see the curls in there. Okay, and let me not say it doesn't look crazy. This is my hair like naturally on its own without any product, just like fresh wash. So I'm just gonna put my hair in some sections because I'm gonna start working in the back. So these are all of my sections. I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna break this section down even more. So let's just do this one. So what I used to do, I used to just do, when my hair was a little shorter, I would do like some finger coils and like individually go. But now that my hair is a little longer, this is what I'm gonna do. So first, I'm gonna go in with this Do Grow Anti-Itch Oil. So this helps with dry scalp. This is probably one of the best oils that has worked for me. It has tea tree oil, shea butter, and vitamins. It is good for dry scalp. It promotes strong, shiny, healthy hair, tames frizz, helps reduce breakage, allowing hair to grow longer. So yeah, if you have braids or weaves, any protective style that I do, this is good for. And the vitamins are A and E and some herbs. And I love that it has this nozzle, so I can just go right in and then kind of massage that in. Okay, so we already did some leave-in. So there are 3 products that I'm kind of going to use. Gel wise, I'm using this TGIN Curl Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel, and then Old Faithful Eco Styler. I'm gonna do like a little bit of a combination because this one doesn't make it super hard and not crunchy, but it doesn't make it super like hard, but this kind of make it a little hard, and I kind of like that because the curls will last longer. And then I'm gonna use this Design Essentials mousse. It's a curl enhancing mousse with almond and avocado. So I'm gonna kind of go in like just that amount of mousse. Don't need too much because you see it goes a long way. And already just with this, I'm going in with my fingers and I'm just kind of like detangling. It's already enhancing the curls. So then I go in with probably like the TGIN is like a thicker, like you see how like it's like tacky, so go with that. And then I'm gonna double up and go in with probably about that much of the gel. And I'm kind of just breaking it through, but I do have this Tingle Teaser, and I'm gonna go in and comb. And you see how that is popping the curls. You see that? So that's really all that I'm doing with this. And then if it is tangled at all, start combing at the base and then comb through the full thing. So yeah, that is it. And it kind of separates the curls. And then I will kind of go through and just pick, and I maybe like recomb some pieces, but look at that. Look at the difference that makes. Okay, you see that? So I'm going to speed through the rest of this, and then when we get to the top where I can get like a little closer, I'll do some more. Then while you do this will probably take me maybe an hour. Let's see, right now it is 11:48 a.m. So we'll see what time it is when I'm done. Okay, now I'm in my last two sections where we start at 11:48. It's now 12:08. So we're making good time. We're making good time. This is the part that always gets me. Do I want to do a part? I think because of the length of my hair, I think I might just do a part and have it come to the side, because when I have it come forward, then it really just becomes bush. And I don't think I want that. I don't think I want that. I don't think I want that. I don't really care in this case if the part is super straight. So that's really good enough. The front of my hair, the curl pattern is looser. It's always been that way. It was that way when I first started transitioning from relaxed hair. And then last year, August 2019, maybe September, whatever, somewhere between August and October. I think it was August. We'll say August 2019. I did a big chop, and I literally chopped all of it off. It was only about 2 inches long. I'll insert a picture. So yeah, that's how short my hair was, and then now look how long it is. But I say that to say that I cut it off thinking, okay, now I'm cutting it off, like now my curl pattern is going to be the same all the way around. No, it's just not how it is. And I have come to terms with it, and I'm okay with it. So it's slightly looser. So especially right here, I don't know if you can tell or not. Maybe it doesn't really look yet. But it's definitely looser up here. So up here, you may see me do a few like coils. Like I've been doing it like throughout, but and by coils, if you don't know what I mean, I just mean like there's some pieces that I may go in and like coil like that. Just zhuzh them up. They might need a little extra encouragement. So yeah, I just go in and do that. So yeah. So that's that. And I want these sections to come more forward, which is also why I kind of switch gears once I start doing the front, and make sure I'm like pulling it forward instead of back like I was with the rest of it. So, and the whole time I've been doing Mousse, the Curl Balm from TGIN, and Eco Styler, because Eco Styler is just going to give me that extra hold that I want. But the Curl Balm is good. Like if you just want to do the Curl Balm, like maybe when my hair is like longer, I may just do Curl Balm and that's it. But I'm an Eco Styler girl. So that's actually, look at that. That looks good. And don't worry about like if you see like when it dries, so you can see in the back, even you don't see all of that white from the mousse or anything like that. It'll go away. Some sections take longer to go away than others. And I did this style a couple weeks ago. It was my first time doing it like this, like with the comb through. And then I like messed around and went to sleep. And my hair was like still soaking wet. So it was like super smashed down. So I wanted to do it earlier today, like earlier in the day, and let it dry so that later when I go to bed, it won't be like still trying to dry and set. And I'm not going to use a blow dryer or anything. One, because didn't I say I was making it go forward? I don't have a the blow dryer that I have is like is it like Revlon? It's like a paddle brush blow dryer. So I don't know if that's really good. Oh, it probably could work, but I'm gonna just let it air dry. We moving through. We moving through. We moving through. Okay, and if you notice, I didn't detangle my hair before I started washing it. I just kind of washed, put my leave-in, and then I've been detangling the sections as I go. So I'll show you how much hair came out on my brush, because I haven't taken any hair out this brush. But as long as, like I said, you start detangling from the bottom and working your way up into the section, my hair is extremely thick, as you can see. Look at that, watch. The curls are popping. Look at the pattern. Like my curl pattern is bomb. You can't tell me nothing. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Period. And that's on who? Mary had a little layer. All right, so now we are at, I'm gonna do the very front first, and then do that back piece of this section. And like I said, I really want, I'm putting a little bit of that curl balm, because that's like a thicker consistency, like on the little part, just to define that separation. And this is the part of my hair where the curl pattern is the loosest. So you can even see right there. It's like super loose. It's probably like, I guess what you would consider like a 3C, something like that. So I'm putting extra gel right here. I'm gonna do some more mousse. And cutting that through. And you see how it doesn't, like, it's not popping back like some of the others. It takes a little more effort. So we're gonna go in and do a little more finger coiling on these, because like I said, it's definitely looser, and that's okay, but I still want it to have some definition. So since we're so defined throughout the rest of the head. Okay, that one ain't do too much. That's okay, that's okay. Let's get a little water. Let's get a little water. Okay, so like some of the curls up here are tighter. It's just some, and we okay with that now. We didn't used to be. We didn't used to be okay with that. I'm really stressed. We really stressed about that. And that's why, like, I'll be getting some hair put in, but this is why I would never do like leave out up front, because to be flat ironing that, it's already going to be See, and it's like just when you get up there, because this is curling up just fine. Well, let me not just say just fine, but it's curling up a little tighter. Okay, last section. This is way better. This was my first time doing my hair like this during the day. And let me tell you, it's way better. Because your girl will be tired at night. All right, and we're done. Look at her. Look at her. So this took, let's see, what time is it? It is, let's say it's 12:28. It's really 12:27, but for the sake of math, it's 12:28. We started at 11:48. So what's that, 40 minutes? Is that what it is? Yeah, that's 40 minutes. So this only took me 4 minutes. Now granted, if your hair is longer, I feel like it's gonna take less time because you can easily boom, boom. You can probably do bigger sections. Like when my hair is longer, I'll be able to do bigger sections. But and who said girls who are 4B, 4C can't do a wash and go? This is a wash and go, ladies. This is a wash and go. Now, the and part, the wash and go, we're gonna put a little asterisk right there because we had to do a little bit more. But if you wake up, wash your hair, give yourself an extra hour in the morning, you can go. I'm feeling really good about how it came out. Even in the back, it's starting to dry. The, again, products, Curl Bomb, Eco Styler. This is gonna really give us that hold and definition that we need. And this is really good for definition as well. But it's more lightweight, and this will really help with frizz. And neither one of these have like that white flakiness. Oh, I forgot, I wanted to show y'all, like I didn't lose much hair at all by using like the Tangle Teaser. It's really good. Like there's a little bit more in there, but honestly, this is not much. There's probably some in there from the last time I did my hair. But this is actually really good. Just that amount.